In this video, I want to do one more final little kind of cleanup slash improvement, and I want to take our interp relative hand and interp aiming functions and just go ahead and pass in delta seconds to those functions because they really don't need to be doing get world get delta seconds when they're being called by the tick function that has delta seconds. So let's go to those functions. So interp aiming and interp relative hand and do float delta seconds like so. Go ahead and pass in delta seconds. Then go down to the functions and pass those in as parameters like so. Then we can just take delta seconds and paste them in like so. Let's save it, relaunch the editor just to confirm that it actually is working. Okay, once that's done, give that a quick test. And everything is just like it was. So we are good to go there. And I think that's pretty much the last thing of cleanup that we're really going to do. And again, I'm not sure exactly what we're going to do in the next video. We're probably going to get into some form of sway. So I will see you in the next video.